All right, guys. So it's a sad day for me. I got hit. I was not expecting that to happen. And today I had some parts I wanted to install on the car, but you know, things happen. Car got hit, messed up the sides. We'll see what happens. We'll see if it's total or if it will be repaired. I was actually planning on getting it some wheels too pretty soon, but like I said, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how much I'm gonna have to put to fix it, and everything. The carbon fiber mirror caps that I was going to install today, that's gonna be delayed. It's all gonna come down to if the car is total or fixable. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's a sad day for the Lex. So yeah, later guys. I'll keep you all updated on the Instagram and then here on the channel, make some videos, let you all guys know how everything is going. Peace.